In this video, I'm going to give you 3 effective ways of how to deal with the business competition. Friends, I'm Sushma Mante. I'm growth mindset coach and I help new entrepreneurs to grow their business and to add to their income by my 5 unique steps of my Recreate model of entrepreneurship development program. Most entrepreneurs, most entrepreneurs want to stand out from a competition, but they find it so difficult in spite of having ability to do it. And because of this tough competition, they suffer a lot. Means they cannot increase their sale, they cannot increase the selling price of their product. They have to compromise with their profit of margin. Then they get distracted and they cannot more focus on their own product, on their own business. So that due to this, begin to they begin to lose their customer or the clients. Again, to retain customer is becoming a big challenge for them. And if you resonate any one of them, guess what? Here is the 3 effective ways how to deal with the business competition. So, are you ready? First one. So, first one is competition is not a bad thing. Lack of competency is the bad thing. So, what is the competency and how to build that competency? The competency is nothing but the integration of your skills, knowledge, and attitude. How to build that business competency? So first, try to get the feedback from your customer, because most entrepreneurs feel that fearful to get the feedback from customer for their product. But it is the only way if you want to improve the quality of the product and to fulfill the desire or the need of the customer to get the feedback first, so that you can improve the quality of your product. Then sometimes it happens that you get overwhelmed with the burden of your work and you just don't know how to start. You just don't know what to do, what not to do. That time, just keep quiet, means just sit and take a pause and take a little steps or take a baby steps. Means instead of just analyzing, thinking too much and worrying too much, if you take baby steps, if you take a little step, even though it was so tiny, but because of you are taking that baby or little steps, you feel more confident and you feel that you can move forward with the confidence, right? So do that. Then be decisive and to follow your decision with a lot of self-discipline. Then come to the second important point. If you think that your competitors are more successful than you, then don't get jealous or don't get distracted because of them, because it gets you nowhere. Just get inspired by them. Just look at them how they are doing in a different way. That doesn't mean that to copy them, but to become a more creative towards your business, to become a more innovative, creative, and try to add more value to your customer's life than anyone else. So your business can be stand out from a competition, right? And third, but not the least, is there is a very small fraction of people who are willing to do more for what they get paid for. And if you are falling into this category, then it becomes easy for you to becoming stand out from a competition, no matter in whichever business you are. Friends, I hope this is going to help you. And remember, I'm Sushma Mante. I'm growth mindset coach, and I help new entrepreneurs to add to their income to grow their business. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe this channel. And if you feel that your friends are going to benefit by this video, then please share with your friends. And whatever the challenges you are facing right now, if you share this challenge with the comment box, then I can make the video on it. So thank you so much for watching this video.